The need to raise money often arrives unannounced, wrapped in urgency and emotion. Whether it's for a sudden medical emergency, a community project that deserves to exist, or a creative dream that needs fuel, the path forward can feel daunting. You know you need help, but the first step feels like a chasm. The problem isn't a lack of need or a lack of heart. It is the overwhelming friction of starting. The blank page of a new campaign page stares back, demanding a story you don't know how to tell, visuals you don't know how to create, and a marketing plan you don't have time to design. This hesitation is where most great causes stall before they even begin. Many people abandon their fundraising efforts, not because their cause is unworthy, but because the process itself feels like a full-time job they were never trained for. They worry that their words won't be powerful enough to move someone to act. They fear that their amateur photos will look unprofessional, undermining the seriousness of their request. They are uncertain about how to navigate the digital world of social media, how to ask for shares, or how to keep the momentum going after the first few donations from close friends trickle in. This paralysis of perfectionism and uncertainty leads to missed opportunities and unmet needs, leaving both the fundraiser and potential supporters in a state of inaction. In 2025, however, we have a new partner in this process, a tool that can help us overcome this initial inertia and build momentum quickly. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It is a practical assistant ready to help you articulate your story, design compelling visuals, and manage your outreach. AI can act as your co-writer, your graphic designer, and your social media manager, breaking down the overwhelming task of launching a fundraiser into a series of small, manageable steps. This guide is built on a simple promise. You don't have to be a professional marketer to run a successful campaign. You just need a clear plan and the right tools. The goal is not to replace your authentic voice with a robotic one, but to amplify it. AI is the tool that helps you find the right words when you're at a loss, create a banner when you have no design skills, and schedule posts when your time is stretched thin. By letting AI handle the mechanical parts of building a campaign, you free up your own energy to focus on what truly matters: the genuine story, the honest updates, and the human connection with your supporters. Let's walk through a simple, step-by-step plan to turn your need into a movement, one AI-assisted task at a time. The blank page is no longer an obstacle, it's a canvas. Every successful fundraiser is built on the foundation of a single, powerful story. This story must do three things. It must clearly explain the need, it must connect with the reader on an emotional level, and it must show them how their contribution can create a tangible impact. The challenge is that when you are in the middle of a crisis or passionately pursuing a goal, it can be difficult to find the right words to convey the depth of your situation. This is where AI can serve as an invaluable writing partner, helping you translate your raw feelings and facts into a narrative that resonates. It helps you find the signal in the noise of your own thoughts. To begin, you don't need to write a perfect story from scratch. Instead, you provide an AI tool like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. Think of it as giving a chef the raw food to prepare a meal. You provide the names, the situation, the specific financial goal, and the reason it matters. A simple, direct prompt is all it takes to get a first draft that you can then refine and personalize. This process removes the pressure of starting with nothing and gives you a structured outline to build upon, ensuring all the key elements of a compelling pitch are included from the very beginning. Here is a practical example of a prompt you could use. I am starting a GoFundMe campaign for my friend Maria, who needs $8,500 for an urgent medical procedure not covered by insurance. She is a single mother of two and a beloved local teacher. Write a heartfelt and clear story for the campaign page. The tone should be hopeful and focus on community support. Please include a clear call to action asking people to donate and share the campaign. Also, mention that we will post weekly updates on her progress. This prompt provides the AI with the context, the tone, and the specific details needed to generate a strong starting point. Once the AI provides a draft, the real magic happens. Your job is to infuse it with authenticity. Read through the generated text and replace generic phrases with your own words and specific personal details. Add a short anecdote about Maria. Mention the name of her school, or describe the impact she has had on her students. This is the human touch that AI cannot replicate. The AI builds the structure, the clear, well-organized house. but you are the one who furnishes it with the memories, the personality, and the heart that make it a home. This collaboration turns a good story into an unforgettable one. A story told in words is powerful, but a story supported by visuals is infinitely more memorable and trustworthy. In the fast-scrolling world of social media and online fundraising, a compelling image is what stops a potential donor long enough to read your first sentence. Campaigns that include photos. Campaigns that include videos consistently raise significantly more money than those without. However, not everyone has a library of high-quality photos or the skills of a graphic designer. In 2025, this is no longer a barrier. AI-powered design tools have democratized visual creation, allowing anyone to produce professional-looking graphics in minutes. If you have a real high-quality photo related to your cause, it will always be your most powerful asset. A genuine picture of a person, a place, or a project builds an immediate connection. But for times when you don't have a suitable photo, or when you need to create branded graphics for your campaign, AI tools are the perfect solution. Platforms like Canva now integrate AI image generators that can create custom banners, social media posts, and illustrations based on simple text descriptions. For more artistic or specific imagery, tools like Midjourney or DALL-E 3 can produce unique illustrations that capture the emotional tone of your campaign. The key is to maintain a consistent and professional look across all your campaign materials. Use AI to create a main banner for your fundraising page that includes a clear, easy-to-read title. Then, use that same color scheme and font style to create a set of images for your social media posts. For example, you could ask Canva's AI to create a hopeful and clean banner for a community garden fundraiser with the text, "Help our garden grow," using shades of green and yellow. It will generate several options that you can then tweak and use as a template for all other visuals, ensuring your campaign is instantly recognizable wherever it appears. Remember that the goal of these visuals is not to mislead, but to represent the spirit of your cause. If you are using an AI-generated illustration for a personal medical fundraiser, be transparent about it. You might choose an image that symbolizes hope or resilience rather than trying to create a photorealistic depiction of a person. The honesty of your approach matters. Your fundraising page is now live, a beacon of hope and purpose, but a beacon is only useful if people can see it. Promotion is the next crucial phase. Share your campaign with the world. Creating a steady stream of fresh social content can feel exhausting. Fortunately, AI can be your tireless marketing assistant. It can craft and schedule diverse posts across platforms and audiences. Make a steady drumbeat of communication. Ask your AI to repurpose your campaign story into different formats. Rewrite my story into 5 social posts, 1 for Facebook, 1 for X, 3 caption ideas for Instagram. Ask AI for a short video script for TikTok or Reels. Vary the tone, urgent, hopeful, grateful. With that AI content library ready, schedule strategically. Use Buffer, Later, Hootsuite. Post at different times and days to reach people when they're online. Mix your content. Direct donation ask. Personal anecdote. Milestone celebration at 10%. Thank you to recent donors. Variety prevents donor fatigue, but add a personal touch. Personally message family and friends with a short, heartfelt request. Example DM. I've just launched this campaign. Would you be willing to share it? A small group of advocates sharing your posts multiplies reach. Their endorsement builds credibility and opens new communities. A ripple AI alone can't create. The act of donation is an act of trust. They are not just giving money, they are investing in your story and expressing hope for a positive outcome. Honoring that trust is paramount. It's the key to turning a one-time donor into a long-term supporter. The most powerful way to do this is consistent, heartfelt communication after the donation. This includes prompt thank you messages and regular progress updates. AI can help you manage this crucial task efficiently, ensuring no act of generosity goes unacknowledged. As donations begin to arrive, it's easy to become overwhelmed. Smartphone, new donation notification with a draft thank you ready. Manually writing a unique thank you for every contribution is time-consuming during a busy campaign. Use AI to generate a few heartfelt, personal-sounding templates you can quickly customize. For example, prompt your AI. Write 3 short thank you messages for a GoFundMe donor. Message 1, warm and grateful. Message 2, emphasizes the impact of their gift. Message 3, very brief and simple. That gives you variety so messages don't feel repetitive. Beyond the initial thank you, regular updates keep supporters engaged. Updates build momentum and often inspire more donations and shares. Use AI to help structure these updates. Give it a few bullet points about recent progress. Raised $2,500 so far. Scheduled the first doctor's appointment. Purchased new art supplies for the community center. Ask it to draft a clear, encouraging update post. This keeps updates well written and positive, even when you're tired. This cycle of gratitude does more than appreciate donors. It signals to potential new donors that you're active and transparent. Visitors see a living, breathing project, not a static request. That builds trust and shows contributions join a well-managed, appreciative effort. Use AI to streamline this process so you can maintain the communication loop without burning out. We have walked through a clear, actionable plan to build and run a fundraising campaign using the remarkable capabilities of AI. These tools can help you write your story, design your visuals, promote your cause, and thank your supporters. They are powerful allies in overcoming the friction that so often stalls us before we begin. They save time, they provide structure, they lend a professional polish that can make a significant difference in how your campaign is perceived. AI is the great equalizer, putting the tools of a marketing agency into the hands of anyone with a need and a Wi-Fi connection. However, it is crucial to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for the human element that sits at the very core of generosity. People don't donate to a perfectly crafted sentence or a beautifully designed banner. They donate to other people. They give because they feel a connection to your story, because they believe in your mission, and because your honesty and vulnerability have moved them to act. The AI can build the vessel, but your heart is the cargo. Your authenticity is the currency that truly matters in this exchange. Always use AI as a starting point, not a final product. Read every word it generates and ask yourself, does this sound like me? Is this true? Inject your own personality, your own memories, and your own unique voice into the text. Let your genuine gratitude shine through in your thank you notes, even if an AI helped you draft them. Share updates that are not just about the numbers, but about the real-world impact and the emotions that come with the journey. It is in these moments of authentic human connection that a campaign truly comes to life and builds a loyal community. So as you embark on your fundraising journey in 2025, embrace these incredible tools. Let them help you get started, stay organized, and reach further than you ever thought possible. But never lose sight of the simple truth that drives all successful fundraising. It is about one human heart reaching out to another. Use the technology to make your voice clearer and your reach wider, but always let that voice be your own. Your cause is worthy, your story matters, and with a little help from technology and a lot of heart, you absolutely can achieve your goal. You can do this.